For PS of marketing versus for CS of marketing. What are the 4 PS of marketing? Product. The product is the item that the company is selling. It is important to consider what the product is, how it is different from other products on the market, and how it can be positioned to appeal to the target market. Price. The price is the amount of money that the customer will pay for the product. Pricing should be based on the perceived value of the product and the company's overall marketing strategy. Place. Place refers to the distribution channels that will be used to sell the product. The place should be convenient for the target market and allow the company to reach as many potential customers as possible. Promotion. Promotion is the process of creating awareness and interest in the product. Promotional activities can include advertising, public relations, and marketing communications. What are the 4 CS of marketing? Customer. The customer is the center of the 4 CS. All decisions should be made with the customer in mind. Cost. The cost is the amount of money that the customer will pay for the product. Convenience. Convenience is the ease with which the customer can purchase the product. Communication. Communication is the process of creating awareness and interest in the product. What is the difference between the 4 PS and the 4 CS? The 4 PS and the 4 CS are both frameworks for marketing mix. The difference between the two is that the 4 PS are focused on the seller's perspective, while the 4 CS are focused on the buyer's perspective. That's it for today. Like this video and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.